busy today. So, on my way to work, Salud Session in just a few hours. Looking forward to it. Salud Session goes rain, snow, crazy apocalypse, whatever. We still go.
Just take your time. Secret back way. 43rd is right here. I'm actually making really good time today. See, this is what happens when I go into the bike lane. Hey, what's going on, Bobby? How are you? Good, good, good. Okay, thank you.
Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I'm good at that. Right now I'm not enough.
Baby girl, I'm the man from the big B. Hey, when you gon' play round my way? And listen to what I gotta say. Timbaland, don't you know I am the man? Rock shows here in Japan. Have people shaking my hand. Baby girl, better known as Aaliyah.
Tell me I got somebody. Tell me I got somebody. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I'm good at that. Right now I'm not enough.
Baby girl, I'm the man from the big B. Hey, when you gon' play round my way? And listen to what I gotta say. Timbaland, don't you know I am the man? Rock shows here in Japan. Have people shaking my hand. Baby girl, better known as Aaliyah.
Tell me I got somebody. Tell me I got somebody. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I'm good at that. Right now I'm not enough.
Baby girl, I'm the man from the big B. Hey, when you gon' play round my way? And listen to what I gotta say. Timbaland, don't you know I am the man? Rock shows here in Japan. Have people shaking my hand. Baby girl.
3, 2, 1. We're back at home
Hang on.
eating Subway sandwiches.
So, We just got back from Salud Sessions 4, and we did the second part of Are You That Somebody by Aaliyah, Timbaland's verse, and it was really great that we were able to take last week's class and blend it with this week. Unfortunately, we didn't have that many people come by, but I think it's because everyone's getting ready for this amazing blizzard that's happening in New York City. We will see tomorrow how big it is. And that's about it. What do you gotta say?
Hi.
He's tired. When you're home in the storm, stay warm and you can watch our video of our class, and we really hope that you make it next week.
Yup.
Yeah.
Yup. By the way, not intentional, but we're kind of matching t-shirts.
He changed into this one. I already have this one. You will see that I already have this one on.
I sweat a lot.
He does.
3 shirts in one day. And then, mind you, I teach other classes throughout the boroughs, so sweaty. I'm at a laundry by the end of the week. Time to do more laundry.
It's Jubilee. She's crying. Juby, say hi, Jubies. Hi. This is our baby. And her name is Jubilee, and she's named after, yes, the X-Men character in Jubilee, because she's so amazing. Because, oh, I love you, baby.
She dances for food.
Yeah, she does. Say hi, Jubies.
Her eyeball just got stretched out.
Oh, she's so cute. She got crazy hair just like Justin does. Did you even notice that you had this on your head?
I forgot.
Oh, that's okay. My hair's like a hot mess too, but you know, whatever. Right, Mama?
This is what class does to your hair.
So, we'll see you next week, and please follow us at Salud Sessions on Instagram and on Facebook, and we hope to dance with you next week, and we will keep you posted when it's happening.
Super Saiyan.
No!